What's up, fam? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell me, where are you watching from? Yeah, so today I want to give you a a few niches for those who are starting YouTube. My name is Alice Amy, and I'm here to take you through your journey to your YouTube, like transforming you to where you are to going higher and higher. Yes, in terms of views, in terms of subscribers, in terms of watch hours. Yes, definitely. So today I want to talk about niches again. Yeah, so I have a few um ideas, though there are a lot of niches. So I'll be giving you by bits and bits. Yeah, so in this video I really want to give you a few ideas that you can do on YouTube if you are planning to start a channel. Yeah, so the common one that people do actually is lifestyle. Lifestyle is very wide. Lifestyle, you can talk about it can be about you, what you do a day in your life. It can be a day in your life, a morning routine. It can be cook with me, prepare with me. It can be clean with me. It can be my first date. Like it's about you, like day in, day out, what kind of activities do you engage in. People love such content because it gives them ideas, yeah, on how to do certain things. An example, if I watch someone doing content, a type of content as maybe a day in my life, I will be able to know what they eat, what they drink, what they, so maybe they're going to cook and I'll be able to learn a recipe. Yes. So the other thing is about fashion and beauty. Fashion and beauty, basically sometimes about you showing up some outfits, or maybe just doing hair or doing makeup or even doing nails. Yeah, so for makeup it is very wide, and people love makeup. Like it's, I noticed like makeup videos are one of the videos that move a lot, like people watch a lot. Yes, because people always want to learn how to do eyebrows. The people who want to learn how to do how to contour, how to do makeup on a dark person, on a light person. Yes, how to blend. Like it's very wide. How to put lashes. Yes, and also does not only cover the face, but it also does cover the hair part of it, whereby you can still show people about how you style braids, how you style your braids, how to do how to style a wig. Yes, like it is very wide. Yes, so other than lifestyle, you can also try to do cooking vlogs. Cooking vlogs is also wide. You can choose to focus on recipes, whereby you only give out recipes. It could be for people who are diabetic. It could be for babies. It could be for pregnant mothers. It could be for just normal recipes, or it could be about meal. It could be about meal prep ideas. Yes. Or you can even decide to just do the cooking vlogs, whereby you're not only talking about recipes, you're just guiding people on how to cook chapati, how to cook omena, how to cook. Like people are searching for such things every day. They're always looking for new recipes. Yes, I might be knowing how to cook beans, but maybe I am tired with my recipe and I want to try out something new. It is the same recipe, but I'm changing slightly away on how maybe I cook, maybe the spices I use. Yes. So the other thing I you can do actually, maybe reaction videos. Reaction videos. It's all about you seeing something, and then you react. It could be on Facebook, it could be on TikTok, it could be on Instagram, it could be something trending, it could be about a celebrity, it could be about it can be even about music, it can be about a movie, it can be about um something that you just seen and you like you, it's more like you're giving your opinion about what you would think about that. It could be news, yes. So, and also the other thing you can do is news, entertainment. It's not far from what I've talked about from reaction, but for reaction, you're only specific in what it's like you're giving feedback on what you think about that specific video, or what you think about that music, or what you think about that movie. But this is slightly different. Okay, yeah. So for news, it's actually very, very easy to do, and also it does not even require. It's very easy for you to do. Yes, because you'll only have to um, put up what people want, because these type of content. It's very, very searchable, because people are looking for news today and tomorrow. Like, yeah, so that was it for this video. Like, they are more of the niches. There are others I could not even talk about, but I will be sharing more for you guys to choose what is best for you. And let me just give you a tip, or always ensure that you do something that you are capable of doing, not because of someone else is doing the same thing. Yeah, so by doing that, you will be motivated to even be doing more and more content. It will also give you um the energy to look for more content, like the passion to push yourself to do better. Yeah, so I hope this has been helpful to you. I hope you take time to meditate and think through, or think about what you would love to start with on your YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel we teach you, or we transform you on your journey to YouTube monetization. Yeah, so this was it. Thank you guys, see you in another video.